Hey everyone! Today we're diving into something shiny, with secrets that stretch from outer space to deep inside Earth to the atomic world. Gold. We'll break down, step by step, how gold became so precious across thousands of years, from the cosmos to geology to the micro world of atoms. By the end, you'll see gold isn't just pretty. It's a cosmic gift, an earthly rarity, and an atomic miracle. Zero boredom, guaranteed. To make gold, you need insanely extreme conditions. Elements like iron or carbon can cook inside stars, but gold can't. Normal chemistry doesn't cut it either. Scientists found that when neutron stars, ultra-dense dead star cores, collide, they trigger the R process, rapid neutron capture. Nuclei grab tons of neutrons in a flash, then decay into heavy elements like gold. In short, gold is born from cosmic explosions and extreme collisions. Even if the universe makes gold, getting it to Earth and into our hands takes a long journey. Early Earth was a molten ball. Heavy elements, gold, platinum, cobalt, nickel, sank toward the core, leaving only traces in the crust. So gold in the crust is super dilute and scattered. Translation? Most gold is locked deep down. We can only reach a tiny fraction. Gold's killer traits. 1. Rare. Its crust abundance is tiny compared to common metals. 2. Dense. Around 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. Same volume, way heavier. Solid feel. 3. Crazy malleable, ductile. 1 gram can be hammered into a 1 square meter leaf, or drawn into ultrafine wire. Perfect for fine craft. In addition, most metals rust or corrode. Gold barely does. Its electrons are so stable, it won't react much with oxygen, sulfides, or acids, so it stays shiny for ages. Gold conducts well and resists oxidation. Perfect for critical connectors and plating. Your phone likely has gold in it. Gold can also act as a heterogeneous catalyst in certain conditions, for air pollution control and chemical processes. Gold is usually scattered in ultra-dilute fluids or tiny grains. When hot fluids move up fractures/faults, changes in pressure, temperature, pH, or solubility make gold drop out and deposit, forming veins like quartz veins. A classic ore-forming pathway. Fresh research suggests earthquakes can make gold. In lab tests, quartz and gold ion solutions was squeezed and shaken. Quartz is piezoelectric. Pressure builds voltage, attracting gold ions to its surface. Over time, they grow into particles, then nuggets. This helps explain giant nuggets. Quakes plus quartz act like a slow gold magnet over geologic time. Beyond science, culture boosts gold's value. Its warm glow feels royal and sacred. Across civilizations, gold symbolizes power, wealth, and honor. We've assigned it deep meaning. Gold worked as money and reserves because it's 1. Divisible and portable, super malleable. 2. Durable and corrosion-proof. 3. Supply limited, can't be printed at will. 4. Widely trusted. Even after the gold standard faded, central banks still hold tons of it. In markets, gold is a classic safe haven against inflation and uncertainty. Let's quick recap. 1. Gold is born in the most extreme cosmic events. 2. Early Earth sank most gold to the core. Only traces remain in the crust. 3. Hydrothermal fluids, quake-driven piezoelectric effects, and structures concentrated into ore. 4. It's stable, workable, dense, and culturally symbolic, so we treasure it. 5. Modern refining and assaying secure its value and trust. If you made it this far, nice. Next time you see gold jewelry or bars on the news, remember, you're looking at a story of cosmic origins, plus geologic journeys. This is Jerry. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.